Hey friend, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Imani Nicole, aka Mani.com. And today we're doing a 5-minute dynamic stretch sequence. Let's dive in. Starting in a comfortable seat, we'll begin with pranayama breathing. Breathing in deeply through the nose, fill your lungs, allow your chest to expand, and then slowly exhale out of your nose, completely emptying your lungs. Repeat for 5 to 10 breaths, keeping an aligned and long spine, relaxed shoulders, and a comfortable seat. Up next is cat-cow. Coming to a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your spine. Inhale, lower the belly, lift the chin up towards the sky. Exhale, lift your navel into the spine. Keep your wrist aligned under the shoulders and place your knees directly under your hips. Repeat 5 times. Up next is balancing table. Extend one arm forward and the opposite leg back. Engage your core and hold for 5 seconds. Lower your arm and your leg and move to the other side. Repeat 5 times on each side, aligning your lifted arm with your ear and keeping your hips level. Remember to breathe as you move from one side to the next, and especially as you hold and balance your arm and your leg in the air. Breathe in, hold, breathe out, and lower. Let's flow into tiger. Bring one knee towards your nose as you round your back. Extend that leg straight back on the inhale, bending the knee and lifting your foot towards the sky. Exhale, bring the knee back towards your chest, lifting up towards the nose. Inhale and lift your foot towards the sky. Repeat 5 times on each side, keeping your shoulders aligned and over your wrists. From here, we'll move into a plank flow. This is a great time to bring your blocks into your practice so you can bring the ground closer to your hands. Lifting your hips and pressing your knees back in downward facing dog. Inhale. Exhale, lower the hips to high plank. Inhale up to downward facing dog. And exhale, lower to plank. Repeat 5 times. Again, ensuring that your wrists are under your shoulders and maintaining a strong, activated core. From plank, lower down into child's pose to move into striking cobra. Shift your weight forward as you bend your elbows, framing your ribs, and then reach your heart forward as you press into your hands, lifting the chest up. Lower the hips back down towards your heels to come back into child's pose, and repeat. Shifting the shoulders over the wrists, keeping the chest on the ground with your hips lifted, and then bring your heart and your chest forward as you lift into a cobra, and then lower the hips back onto your heels for child's pose. Repeat this flow of movement 5 to 10 times, and remember to pause the video until you're ready to continue. Now come to standing at the center of your mat for palm tree. Reach your arms up overhead and interlace your fingers, flipping your palms up to the sky. Inhale as you lift your hands up and come up onto your toes. Exhale as you bring your fingers to the top of your head. Inhale, straighten your arms, extending your spine. Exhale, lowering down. Repeat 5 times. Continue on with swaying palm tree, this time keeping your feet planted on the ground. Inhale, reaching your hands up into the sky. Exhale, leaning over to one side. Inhale as you lift back up, and exhale, leaning over to the opposite side. Repeat 5 times, aligning your hips over your feet and feeling a gentle stretch along your side body. Now we'll conclude with standing yoga seal. Inhale, sweep both hands up overhead, bending the knees and sitting your hips back for chair pose. Exhale, airplane your arms, bringing them back to your side body. Interlock your fingers. Exhale as you lower your chest towards your knees, lifting the hands away from your lower back and into the sky. Inhale, sweep the hands up as you move through chair pose and come to standing. Exhale, lower into chair pose and repeat the interlocking of your hands and lifting up into the sky. Repeat the sequence 5 times. On the final round, releasing your hands, inhale, sweep both hands up overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. This concludes the dynamic stretch sequence. Thanks for moving with me, friend. You may close your practice in Shavasana or take a few rounds of breath before moving on with your day. If you enjoyed the sequence, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Remember that no matter who you are, where you are, as you are, you're a breath away from bliss. Be well.